हेलो दोस्तों, जय हिंद। वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल किंडो इंग्लिश क्लासेस। And in today's video I'm going to teach you different ways to say how are you. So in our daily conversation we should know one sentence to say in different ways. So same thing I'm going to teach you. So before we begin the class, if you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe so that I can make many more videos and I will feel better in order to make videos. So let us begin the class without any further delay. Different ways to say how are you? What's up? What's new? How is it going? How are things? What is going on? How are you doing? How have things been? How have you been? What are you up to? How are things going? So in order to get more updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching my video till the end.